Lockheed Martin to upgrade U.S. Air Force C-5M cargo plane. Lockheed Martin has been awarded a $34.7 million contract to perform modifications and upgrades on U.S. Air Force C-5M Super Galaxy cargo planes. The initiative is part of the replacement Multifunctional Controls and Displays program, which seeks to adapt existing interfaces with the C-5M avionics backplane. Under the contract, the company will produce a hardware and software prototype architecture to update the multifunction displays on the aircraft's cockpit avionics. The work will be carried out in Texas and is expected to be completed by May 2025. C-5M Super Galaxy. Considered the largest aircraft in the U.S. Air Force inventory, the C-5M Super Galaxy is designed to transport heavy cargo and personnel for the U.S. Department of Defense. It can carry oversized cargo up to 281,000 pounds or 127,460 kilograms for long distances and take off and land on relatively short runways. The aircraft can fly 2,150 nautical miles or 3,981 kilometers without refueling. The Super Galaxy is equipped with 5 sets of landing gear, 28 wheels, 4 F-138 commercial engines, and a state-of-the-art maintenance diagnostic system. Apart from delivering oversized cargo, the jet can perform strategic airlifting, emergency aeromedical evacuation, and transport of brigade-size forces and equipment. Previous modifications. Since 2022, the C-5M Super Galaxy aircraft has undergone several major modifications and upgrades. Among these updates was the avionics modernization program, which included the installation of a mission computer, a glass cockpit with digital avionics, and communications and navigation components. The aircraft has also reportedly received new engines for improved performance.